We've been paddling and we're going to the high rope, which will be really fun. Watch out, watch out!
Any final thoughts?
How was canoeing?
Really fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And your food?
Nice.
Okay then.
Yeah.
How was canoeing yesterday?
It was really fun because it was nice weather and we didn't actually have to do that much to canoe, so.
What about food last night?
We had rice and bolognese with donuts for dessert and then the donuts for free.
Feel good?
Yeah, that's so dangerous!
There we go.
I lose my mind. We'll make quite a all the time. Celebrity parties.
That was very annoying and slow.
Oh yes, that was good.
And how do we feel about girls? Are they delicate flowers or very bossy? Daisy, how do you feel about being labelled bossy? Don't mind. Many of these two. You got a response to that? Can't do anything yourselves, boys. You only can't do anything yourselves.
They actually can't, don't we? We have to tell them. So we have to.
To be fair, you have done more expeditions than them.
How much sun cream do you put on every day?
It's important to stay safe.
It's fallen in the river 9 times.
Okay, hands up who went the wrong way on the river.
Nothing is too good there for
Yeah, we had a lot of cheese.
What's your highlight of the trip?
Sitting around the campfire and toasting marshmallows last night.
I have most enjoyed just canoeing right now and loads of food and snacks because we're just staying and it's so much fun and you can just paddle and just like
Really nice group atmosphere.
Yes,
Yeah.
loads of group atmosphere.
What do you think of Estoc?
Well, it's definitely fun.
What songs have you been singing?
A lot of Disney ones.
I found a Peanuts featured quite a lot.
Oh yeah, that one. Peanut yesterday. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut yesterday.
What's been your highlight of the trip?
Being able to canoe by ourselves.
Come on, girls and boys.